Good morning. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is called GSM based remote smart home automation system using Android app inventor for the Android smart mobile phone. In this project, we are using an power supply and we are using an ARM7 LPC2148 64 pin IC, and we are using an GSM SIM 900. So 900 and power supply section, 16 cross 2 LCD display, relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3 and fan. So these are the mobile we are using. So Android mobile phone, you can use a Samsung. So these are the components, and we are using an Kill software. Flash Magic is the programmer. So in our project we are using an ARM7 and SIM 900. I'm using Airtel SIM card and I'm using 3 bulbs, bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, and I'm using one fan. And these are the transistor circuits to operate the bulbs and the fan. Let us coming into the hardware part. I'm taking 230 input, step down transformer, 12 volts output AC, 12 volts output AC. So that 12 volts, it is connected to the ARM7, and that 12 volts is given to the SIM 900. Here we are using an bridge rectifier. It converts AC to pulse rated DC, and filter capacitor, 7805 regulator. And here I am using one LM1117 fixed 3.3 volts regulator. This regulator will give you the exact 3.3 volts for the ARM processor. Here I am using an LPC low power consumption 2148. So this IC having total 64 pin IC, QDIP, quadrupole dual in package line, 64 pin, port 0 and port 1, 2 ports. Port 0 consists of 0.0 to 0.31, total 32 pin. Port 1 consists of port 1.16 to port 1.31, those are 16 pin. It can execute 16 bit as well as 32 bit. And in our project we are using an serial communication. That serial communication, it is connected to the P0.0 and P0.1. That P0.0 and P0.1 it connected to the MAX 232. MAX 232 is the level converter voltage level stabilization IC. That port to P0.0 0.1, that RxD and TxD, that was connected to this SIM 900. This SIM 900 can execute 850 MHz to 1800 MHz, and it can work in Asian countries. So this modem, so we are sending the SMS to the mobile such a way that we designed some app. That app, we are in bulb, red, green, yellow fan. We have a red, green, white, so yellow and fan. So here this GSM will receive the SMS, and that SMS will compare whether if it is authorized or not. After that we are using two push buttons. This push button is, one is called the ISP push button and another one is called the reset one. So if the program is not working properly, we need to reset this button. So this is an ISP button. This ISP, when we want to dump the program from computer to PC or laptop, so we need to use UART 0. So, so if we want to dump the program onto the controller, must and should we have to press the reset ISP button continuously and press and release the reset button, then only the program will be dumped. The program will be erased in 400 nanoseconds. So then fresh program will be dumped onto the IC. Okay, so here I'm using a crystal. That crystal is 12 megahertz crystal. This is the heart of the circuit for the controller to generate the clock pulses. So this is a development board. So in this development board we are connected to the transistors. Those transistors connected to the P1.16, P1.17, P1.18 and P1.19. These four transistors should operate the bulbs. Okay, these are the LED bulbs and one fan. So now when I start the power, okay, the GSM will on. After that, if it is not working properly, we need to press reset. Android home automation, Windows mobile phone, and it is sending the commands. GSM modem is initialized. If we are not connecting the RS232 cable, it will not tell you. So this is so now I am going to operate the mobile. So if actually all projects are going with the Android, those are Bluetooth based, such a way that we designed an app. That app consists of an SMS based. If you open the SMS based home automation, this home automation, first we want to register the mobile number. Here I am using one sim Airtel sim card. We want to register means settings. So the register, so we need to give the new number. Okay na, I'll give you 95730538807. So now which I was used the SIM card, that SIM card number should be insert register. So that number is as updated successfully, means the number 10 digit number is updated successfully. Suppose I want to on the bulb. Okay, so I need to press the bulb. SMS sent. You need to observe SMS reading, SMS deleting, SMS deleted, validating SMS, bulb 1 on, success. Again it come back for the next. So if I operate the bulb now, so I want to go for the another bulb. Suppose I want to go for a fan. Okay, I was sent SMS reading. Actually this is remote home appliances controlling. You can send the SMS anywhere in the world. Bulb 2 on, bulb 2 on. Okay, SMS the phone will give you the charges. Go for the free SMS, that is best one. Otherwise it will give you the SMS charge of 1 rupee per SMS. Okay, charge 1 rupee. Deleting SMS, a validating SMS, bulb 3 on, 3 bulbs on. So I want to operate a fan. See the fan is running here. SMS reading, and I got the charge. Go for a free SMS. So 3 bulbs on and 1 fan on. Okay now, so I want to off the bulbs. Suppose I want to operate the off the fan. SMS sent. SMS reading, SMS deleting, SMS deleted, validating SMS, fan off, fan off. Okay, so I want to off the middle button off. SMS sent. Okay, so our green LED will be, green bulb will be off. That green bulb will be off. It is waiting for Android SMS. SMS reading, charges, SMS deleting, validating SMS, bulb off, bulb 3 off. So here we have only one bulb is on, and at the same time here also only one bulb is on. Suppose I want to off this bulb also. So I got the amount. Yeah. So successfully we turned on the bulbs. At the same time successfully we turned off the bulbs. We designed a such app. This app, Android development app, Android developed app. So here the settings was done by SVS Embedded @SVS Embedded. So we designed an app. All the engineering graduates or the companies, they are doing the Bluetooth. So we recognize that if we go for a SMS based, such a way that we designed an SMS based app. This app in the backside code they are sending the registered mobile number. So we can go for a 3 bulbs and 1 fan as per the coming from the project. For the outside person, they asking 3 bulbs 1 fan. If you go for an 4 bulbs 2 fans, 6 bulbs 3 fans, as it is we can increase the number of bulbs and increase the number of fans also. And we can do this project Bluetooth based and GSM based, Wi-Fi based, Zigbee based, home appliances control we can do. Bluetooth is the maximum distance is 5 meter, and Zigbee we can go for 30-meter distance, and Wi-Fi can use only 5 meters distance within the area. And GSM you can go anywhere in the world. You can operate the bulbs and the fans and acknowledgement will be received. In this actually we done with the app, we are not taking the acknowledgement. As it is we can take the acknowledgement by the app will be receive the SMS. Thanking you, and if there are any doubts let me know to SVS Embedded.